Welcome back to my channel, guys. What better way to start your morning with some Caribbean style sago porridge. This recipe is delicious, filling, and worth the while. Alright, it would make your kids gain weight, and yes, it's everything, guys. Very satisfying. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, and for my older subscribers, thank you for coming again. As you can see, my sago is creamy and nice, so don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Now let's get right into the kitchen. I have some sago pearl here that I'm going to soak, and you want to soak it for at least 10 minutes before boiling. So I'm going to add a cup of the sago pearls into my container. Then I'm going to add 4 cups of water. Once I add it there and I leave it to sit for 10 minutes over medium heat, I am going to place my pot and I'm going to add 4 cups of water along with some cloves. You can use as much cloves as you want, cinnamon stick, and some grated nutmeg. You want to bring this to a boil until the water looks like this. At this time, I'm going to remove the pot and strain the spices away from the water. And I'm doing this because you don't want to use your porridge and, have to be biting on cloves or anything like that. So once I'm done straining it, I'm going to pour it right back into the pot. And the heat is on medium, guys. So as you can see at this time, 10 minutes, my sago has been soaked. I'm going to place it into the pot and stir as you go. Guys, this do not take long to cook, believe you me. It works pretty fine. Pour it in there and stir it, and then it's going to start thickening up. But at this time, you want to cook your sago until those pearls turns like or looks like jelly. Like jelly form, no white seeds in there. And once it starts to boil, guys, I'm going to turn the heat down very low and let it take its time and cook until we get all those white pearls or seeds turns crystal clear. So keep stirring as you go. And you can see the water in there is brown. The porridge looks a little brown, and that is because of the strength from the spices. So at this time, I'm going to add some mixed essence. You can add your essence immediately once you're finished boiling your porridge. I just choose to add it at this time. Boil it well. Now I'm going to use 3/4 can of condensed milk. This is going to bring in that creaminess and also helps to sweeten the porridge. And I'm going to stir it in and let you see what it looks like. Really creamy and nice. But at this time, I'm not done, guys, because we have to add more milk into this porridge. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 1.5 cups of evaporated milk. Look at this, guys. Pour that goodness right up into there. And you can also taste as you go, depends on how sweet you want your porridge. You can add more of the condensed milk, or you can also add some sugar. Either brown sugar or granulated sugar will do. So here I'm adding just a little bit more sugar. Stir it in, and that's it, guys. Your porridge is ready to serve. So here you have it, guys, a powerful and delicious energy boost. It's very satisfying. Top it with some more condensed milk, and here you have a creamy textured porridge, guys. It would take you for a very long time throughout the period of the morning section of your day. All right, so yes, go right ahead, give it a try, leave me a beautiful comment, let me know what you think, and don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. So stay with me for many more simple, easy porridge recipes coming your way. Enjoy.